What is organic makeup? First, what exactly is organic makeup? As with other organic products, organic makeup is made from living or once living material. That means plants, herbs, minerals and other things that come from the earth. This is in stark contrast to a lot of modern makeups that couldn't be more artificial if they tried. It's common practice to use bright, synthetic lipsticks and all manner of ingredients designed to make sure that our faces stay plastered from morning until night. The benefits of organic makeup. As you might imagine, placing too many chemicals around your face isn't terribly good for you. While different products vary, the general truth of the matter is that unnatural products are more likely to cause health problems. Often these products release toxic fumes, for instance. In other cases they can irritate the skin. So there are tons of different reasons to use organic lipstick and mascara. Of course, all the reasons to use organic face masks and soaps also apply to your makeup. How to make and buy your own organic makeup. If you want to start making your own organic makeup, the good news is that it is very easy. Take a look online and you'll find you can quickly come across a huge selection of different recipes and methods for making organic lipstick, organic mascara and any other organic beauty products you can think of. You'll also find a lot of organic skin care products and generally just tons of advice and information to get you started. Cocoa butter is one of the most popular ingredients in a lot of organic beauty products. This is great for liquid foundation because it goes on very smoothly and has a nutritious and soothing feel directly against the skin. Other common inclusions are tea, grapes, apricots and even pomegranate seeds, any of which will provide a lot of antioxidants while also helping to maintain the elasticity of the skin, thanks to elastase.